Do you keep oversleeping or missing appointments? With the clock app on your iPhone, you can easily set up, edit, turn off, and delete alarms. And in iOS 26, Apple ties alarms into your sleep schedule, making it even easier to stay on track. Let me show you step by step. First, open the clock app, then go to the Alarms tab. If this is your first alarm, the list will be empty. Tap the Setup button, then tap Setup in Health. You'll see an overview explaining how alarms now connect with your sleep goal. Tap Continue to proceed. Now, set your sleep goal by choosing how many hours you want to sleep each night. Next, tap Edit under Schedule to pick your bedtime and wake-up time. You can also choose which days of the week this alarm will repeat. For example, you might want an early alarm Monday through Friday for work, but a later one on weekends. Under Alarm Options, make sure the switch is turned on. Then tap Sounds and Haptics and choose your alarm sound. If you need something gentle, you could pick a soft tone. If you're a heavy sleeper, go for a louder classic alarm. You can also adjust the volume, turn snooze on or off, and even change the snooze duration. Once you're done, tap the blue check mark in the top right corner to save. If you want different schedules, like one for weekdays and another for weekends, you can add a new one by following the same process. When you're finished, tap Next. You'll see a summary of your new alarm schedule. Review it carefully, then tap Done. Back in the Clock app, you'll now see your alarm listed. Editing an alarm is easy. Just tap Change, make your adjustments, and then tap the Save icon. For example, if your morning meeting starts earlier than usual one day, you can quickly shift your alarm back 30 minutes. If you'd like to add an extra alarm, tap the plus sign plus in the top right corner. This method lets you set one-time alarms outside of your sleep schedule, like setting a reminder alarm for an afternoon workout or an evening medication. Just enter the time, repeat days, label, sound, and snooze options. Then save it. Turning an alarm off is even simpler. Just toggle the switch next to the alarm into the off position. This keeps it saved in case you want to turn it back on later without setting it up again. To delete an alarm, tap on the alarm to open its details, then scroll down and tap Delete Alarm. Another way is to tap Edit at the top left, tap the red minus sign beside the alarm, then tap the trash icon to confirm. So in real life, here's how this comes together. You could set a 6:30 a.m. weekday alarm with a loud sound for work, a 9 a.m. weekend alarm with a softer tone, and a 5 p.m. reminder alarm for workouts or study time. Each one can be edited, turned off temporarily, or deleted when you no longer need it. And that's it. You now know how to set up, edit, turn off, and delete alarms in iOS 26. With just a few taps, your iPhone becomes a reliable alarm clock tailored to your lifestyle. If this video helps you take control of your alarms, give it a like, and check out my other iOS 26 tutorials to unlock even more hidden features. Thanks for watching.